Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable the activity indicator on Snapchat so you can control who sees your online status. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version, because this feature may not appear on older versions. After updating, open the Snapchat app. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Once your profile opens, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down slowly until you find the option called Activity Indicator. Simply tap on it. Make sure the toggle is turned off if you want to hide your online status so that other people cannot see when you are active or online. Once it is disabled, your activity status will no longer be visible to others. And that's it. That's how you turn on or manage the activity indicator on Snapchat easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Snapchat tutorials. See you in the next video.